Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD, the guy in the video. And today we're going to talk about some of the support we give to the semiconductor industry for their robots used in moving process through the facility. So we're currently working on the Daifuku CMS50 system to support an older system used in many facilities. And in it, it has a lot of components that we have to support now at ERD. So on the table here, I have some examples of the pieces of this Daifuku system. So here is a Panasonic driver. This one's used to move the system box through on these little elevated channels up in the ceiling. The one next to it allows you to rotate the pieces in the cartridge. This is a Daifuku control board that is used for controlling these access boards in the system. And of course, we have our operator interface terminal right here that is also a touch screen that allows you to control all the settings for the Daifuku system. These systems are integrated throughout the facility and move the product, which is silicon semiconductor wafers, in cartridges from one type of equipment through the building to another. So it's not an easy system to just replace, let's put it that way. So at ERD, we're going to continue to work on this end-of-life equipment for the semiconductor industry as long as we really can. And we're going to help them keep making semiconductor products. And because at ERD, we're keeping the world moving one repair at a time.